Hey guys, Funk Roberts of FunkMMA.com, FunkRobertsFitness.com, and this week I'm bringing you one of my classic Spartan workouts. I love these workouts, metabolic resistance training, helping you burn fat while you build lean muscle, because that's what we want to do right now. We want to burn fat, build muscle, and be athletic. So with this workout, it's a 10 exercise circuit. You're doing it for time. So 60 seconds of work, followed by 15 seconds rest, one after the other. When you're done all 10 exercises, you rest for 2 minutes and repeat for 3 rounds. The goal of each exercise is to get as many reps as possible. So you're not going at a slow pace. You want to get that pace nice and fast. Try to get as many reps as you can and try to beat your score each round. Anyways, let's get to the workout, man. Let's get to the workout. I'm excited to show you this. I'm here in Thailand. Now it's your turn to get it done. So there you have it, guys. Another tough workout. I love hooking you guys up with great workouts that you can use, that you can get done, that'll get you results. So if you like that workout, please comment below, like it, share it, let me know your thoughts. And also make sure that you grab our revamped Lean Pro 30, which is our 100% New Zealand whey protein with probiotics. This is what I take right after my workout. I like to take this with water, drink it after my workout. Helps me to recover before I go home and actually eat. This is probiotic formula, lactose-free, stevia sweetened, and it tastes freaking delicious. So click the link below or click the link on this page to grab it now. If you like Amazon Canada, Amazon US, you can grab our Lean Pro 30 there as well. So make sure you check that out. Anyways, I'm done talking, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in each week. Every Monday I got a new workout for you. And if you like that workout, click this link for another Spartan training workout. I'm Funk Roberts. It's your turn to get it done.